making our final approach towards Coruscant.
Very good, Lieutenant.
We made it.
I shouldn't have come back.
This vote is very important. Now come.
I feel responsible.
You did your duty, just as she did hers. Now let's take a transport to the Senate.
Looking to get across the planet? Rest whatever it is you use for legs and hop in one of these. Enjoy your trip.
Senator, we've heard about the explosion on the landing platform. It is a great relief to know that you are okay.
Senator Amidala, your tragedy on the landing platform. Terrible.
I think that Count Dooku was behind it.
Count Dooku was once a Jedi. He couldn't assassinate anyone.
Master Jedi, may I suggest that the Senator be placed under the protection of your graces? Perhaps someone you're familiar with.
Annie? My goodness, you've grown.
So have you. Grown more beautiful, I mean.
Well, now that everyone's been reacquainted, allow us to escort you to your quarters, Senator.
Thank you, Master Kenobi, but this seems unnecessary. I don't need more security. I need answers. I need to know who's trying to kill me.
We're here to protect you, Senator, not to start an investigation.
We will find out who's trying to kill you, Padme. I promise you.
We will not exceed our mandate, my young Padawan learner.
I meant it in the interest of protecting her, Master, of course.
Perhaps with merely your presence, the mystery surrounding this threat will be revealed.
Is it much farther, Master?
Is mine and Padme's company boring you already, my Padawan?
No, of course not, Master. I didn't mean...
We aren't far. My apartment is just up ahead. Here we are. Shall we? Thank you for getting me here safely. Now, if you'll excuse me, I will retire.
Stay here.
There she is. Don't let her get away. And be precise with your shots. There are civilians everywhere.
We'll stop her, Master. I promise.
Great. Well, if we could not crash before doing so, I'd greatly appreciate it.
Master, you need to relax. I'm a great pilot.
You've much to learn about many things, my young apprentice, and flying is certainly one of them. Before you shoot, Anakin! Anakin, watch out for that power coupling! Ahead! They've gone in that tunnel! We're off! Anakin, we are Jedi. We must protect the people, not shoot them out of the sky. Keep on then, Anakin.
Has my flying improved, Master?
Well, I'm still alive, so there's that. Who hired you?
It was a bounty hunter cop.
Toxic dart. Huh? We'll have to split up. Escort Senator Amidala back to Naboo. She'll be safer there.
Of course, Master.
R4, I think you can help me with something. An old friend at the diner nearby knows all about this sort of thing. Let's see if he recognizes this dart, shall we?
Cruise apart, buy and sell. I'll take your broken droids. I give better prices to Jawas.
All right, don't blow your top. I'm going fast as I can. You caught me at a bad time. My best waitress, Wanda, has blown a fuse, and I can't keep up with all these customers. Think you could help out an old buddy and take some orders to the right tables? I gotta fix up old Wanda. Soon as we get finished, I'm all yours. What do you say? Great! All you gotta do is find out what each customer orders.
Any news on my 6-6 layer cake? I haven't seen one layer since I got... That's it! Thanks a lot!
Nothing like a tall cup of Jawa juice. Where's... my Jawa juice?
Where's my shot at club sandwich? My pocket meter runs out in 5 minutes.
Looks delicious.
At this point, it would have been quicker to fly to Naboo and cook my own Nuna drumstick. Wow, let me at it.
Can you go get my photon fizzle? It's bright green, you can't miss it. Ugh, better late than never.
Did everyone get their orders? Great! I really owe you one. And so does Wanda. Took a fair bit of elbow grease, but I'm happy to say she'll be back bussing tables in no time. Now, what do you want to talk about? Grab a seat and I'll be right with you.
Tell me what this is.
What you got here is a Camino saber dart.
Camino, I'm not familiar with it. Is it in the Republic?
No, it's beyond the Outer Rim. These Caminoans keep to themselves. They're cloners.
Cloners. No, R4. I don't recall Camino on any of the usual charts. Let's head to the archives. I've never heard of Camino either. Let's run the coordinates Dex gave us through the Jedi archives. See if we can find out more about it.
You need potatoes? I got sacks of them! Full of protein and delicious when fried. There are no cons to buying potatoes!
I can get you where you need to be. Safe travels, friend. To the Federal District. I can get you where you need to be. You'll be there in no time.
Okay, R4. Upload the data Dex gave us to the terminal. According to Dex, Camino should be right here, but there's just empty space.
Lost a planet. Master Obi-Wan has. How embarrassing.
There's nothing there.
Gravity's silhouette remains.
Huh?
Very good. Go to the center of gravity's pull and find your planet. You will.
But Master Yoda, who could empty information from the archives? That's impossible, isn't it?
Only a Jedi could have erased those files. But who and why? Harder to answer. Meditate on this, I will.
I know the busts go in a certain order according to the story, but I just like matching them to the pictures.
Qui-Gon Jinn. When catching bogwings, you should say that the fourth was with him. Oh, it gets awful lonely in these archives. Oh, that's Obi-Wan Kenobi, a handsome young man. He was a little too smug about beating Master Qui-Gon in the rounding of the bog wings. Ah, yes, Master Yoda, a peaceful, diplomatic soul, chose to use words with bogwings and came in last for it. Be careful with those. That's Ki-Adi-Mundi, of course. An average bogwing catcher with an above-average head. That's Dooku. Just because he was the best bogwing catcher doesn't mean he was well-liked. We really ought to take that down now. What do you think you're doing? That's Mace Windu, named after the weapon he used to catch his only bogwing. A window. I may need to cross-reference that. Be careful with those.
Cross-planet transit service. We'll get you where you need to...
You'll never guess, but I've just received some new data.
Yes, this should be the right system. Keep your eyes peeled for our missing planet.